All right, let's head to the supermarket with Tom. He's got his reusable bags and a very important piece of paper in his hand. What's on it? It's his shopping list. Tom looks at the list. Okay, first things first, I need some essentials. He grabs a cart and wheels it into the produce section. The bright colors of fruits and vegetables are everywhere. Tom thinks, I need apples, bananas, and some carrots. He picks out a bunch of bright yellow bananas and some crisp red apples. Then he spots the avocados. Ooh, I want to make some guacamole this week, he says to himself, adding a couple of ripe ones to his cart. He checks his list again. Milk, eggs, bread. Got it. He makes his way to the dairy aisle. I need a carton of milk and a dozen eggs. He carefully places them in his cart, making sure not to break the eggs. Next up, the bakery. The smell of fresh bread is just amazing. Tom finds a loaf of whole wheat bread. Perfect for sandwiches, he thinks. His cart is starting to get full. He sees the snack aisle and can't resist. I want some potato chips, he says with a grin, grabbing a big bag. And maybe some chocolate, just for a treat. He adds a bar of dark chocolate to his growing collection. Finally, he looks at his list one last time. It seems he has everything he needs. He heads to the checkout counter. The cashier starts scanning his items. Tom sees the total on the screen and asks, how much is the total? After paying, he packs his groceries into his bags. With a full cart and a happy heart, Tom heads home, ready for a week of delicious meals. It's amazing how a simple trip to the grocery store can feel like such a successful adventure. What are some of your must-have items on your shopping list? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for joining Tom on his shopping trip. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories.